After declaring a state of emergency for North Carolina because of the coronavirus, Governor Roy Cooper held a news conference today to explain the issues with testing for the virus and what challenges the state and health officials are having.
Fox Carolina's Carrie Weimer joins us live in Charlotte, where that news conference happened a little bit earlier this afternoon. And Carrie, what's the newest information at this hour?
Well, today we learned that there are now 7 cases of the confirmed virus here in North Carolina. But another important piece of information that we got from the news conference today is that there's a shortage of an extraction agent that's used in the test kits for people with the virus symptoms. Now, the governor said that it's not only here in North Carolina, but it's all over the U.S., and that they are working with LabCorp to try and find an alternative. North Carolina State Health Director Dr. Elizabeth Tilson says the state has received COVID-19 test kits, but they are missing an extraction agent specifically used to take the genetic material out of the virus in order to run it for testing. She says they currently have 250 test kits left that have the extraction agent, but have not received any more from the federal government with the extraction agent. Governor Cooper says the shortage of the extraction agent is nationwide, and alternative solutions may also run into issues.
LabCorp has a way that doesn't require this particular extraction agent. They are ramping up their capacity and are taking tests from all over the state and taking samples from all over the state and doing tests. There's also a lot going on right now to try to think of other ways, because once you have this kind of test, LabCorp is likely to run into its own supply chain issues because of the vast number of tests that would be needed.
The governor also said because of the spread of the virus, there would be inconvenience, loss of income, and disappointment. But the health and safety of North Carolinians was their primary objective, and that cost would not be a barrier for someone to get tested. Now, the governor says there's a website for people in North Carolina to visit if they have any questions or if they want to see the latest updates. We're showing that to you now. That website is ncdhhs.gov. Of course, those letters stand for the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services. He says that site will stay up to date with all the new information on the coronavirus. And of course, he also urges people to call the local health departments if they have specific questions. In Charlotte, Carrie Weimer, Fox Carolina News.